She knows what that's for.
So this means that she's going to go into our bedroom with her phone and her remote control, sit on our bed with all of our remotes and hers and the phones. And
Yeah.
You playing? You playing? Huh? What you got there? What is that, Elmo remote? Huh? You push Elmo?
Wow. Oh, yeah. Starting to get hungry. Oh, yeah. Belly hurt a little.
scissors.
Liam, you getting fussy?
A little bit.